lovely. Hi, I'm Ray, and this is my gardening channel. Today we're going to give a review of Kitchen Garden and Grow Your Own magazine. So let me show you. Both of these are for the December edition, and Kitchen Garden comes in a big old packet with a big old book behind, and it says Sow Your 2021 Sewing Planner, and we can also see it's got some gloves. So we'll start with Grow Your Own magazine, and as we can see we've got a pack of seeds at the front. So let's have a look and see what we've got. So this is the January edition. These were bought in Tesco's, and these are retailing at £5.99. So with the Grow Your Own magazine, there's an offer for free Sutton's 1806 red seed tin by £7.99. We'll have a look at that. Plan Your Veg Garden, Small Space, Big Ideas. Guides to best potting compost, which peas to plant now, perfect plums. So that's good. So we'll have a look at the seeds. We've got a few packets here. So first of all, we've got Little Gem lettuce. So Little Gem, we do this quite often. Sweet and tasty heads. We can sow this between March and July. That's quite a standard normal lettuce. And we've got cucumber. And this one is Masterpiece. Dark green spine fruits. Early and reliable, crisp, white, tender flesh, perfect for summer salads. So we can sow these March, April, and direct sow in May, June. So that's an interesting cucumber Masterpiece. We've not tried that one before. And we've got a good old favourite tomato, and that being Gardener's Delight. We've got a video on Gardener's Delight, and they are one of my favourites to grow. And if you've seen my previous videos, we grow a lot. So these are sowed between April and May, harvest July to October. And we've even got Gardener's Delight in the garden in December still, only just though. Next packet we got is salad leaves, Speedy mix, and these can be sown from March all the way through to September, and Speedy salad leaves in around 25 days during the summer. And we've got some Speedy mix in the trays over here. Just really need potting up though. Next we've got is watercress. Grow in a container or in a garden. So this is normal standard watercress. So April, May, harvest July to September. Next one we've got is basil. So basil can be sown from February through to June. High notes of mint and clove. Large aromatic leaves are produced on a neat bushy plant. So we've got some basil growing here somewhere, but nothing much happening just yet. Next we got is radish, and these are flamboyant. I've not had flamboyant 3 before. Crisp cylindrical roots with a pungent flavour, suitable for indoor and outdoor growing, easy to grow. They look very similar to the English breakfast. so that's a good one. And we got beetroot, and we got chioggia, sweet tasting traditional Italian beetroot, rich pink skin with white flesh and pink wings. Add mild flavoured leaves to salad too. So that's all the seeds we've got for grow your own, and it's quite a nice selection. And I was thinking of Christmas present, if you wanted to give an allotment holder a Christmas present, then these are quite standard seeds for an early allotment holder, and they will be good. So that's a good Christmas present idea. So we'll go back to the magazine and we'll look at that another day. So next we've got is the Kitchen Garden magazine, and this has got the best new varieties for 2021, fruit and veg to grow now, and your 2021 sowing planner. And we've got some seeds. So let's have a look at what we've got in here. So first of all, we've got 2 packets of seeds, and we've got tomato rosella, a unique deep pink cherry tomato tasting of raspberries, blackberries and other summer fruits. Now that's quite interesting. I like the sound of that. Blackberries, raspberries, cherry tomato. I do like the idea of that. And the second set of seeds, just 2 sets of seeds on this one, is aubergine, long purple. These are medium size, deep violet covered fruits with elongated shape and outstanding flavour, and easy to grow as tomato. So if it's easy to grow as tomato, then that would be good. And we've never done aubergines before, so maybe this is one for the polytunnel for next year. But that is all the seeds that we've got in the January kitchen garden. We do have a set of gloves, and in the past the gloves have been quite tiny, but they have been quite useful. We've still used them, so let's have a look. We've got fairly big hands, and these are fine. These are good. They're stuck, but they will do. They will work. So let's have a look at what else we've got. We've got the seeds, we've got the gloves, the magazine. So we've got free for food, food for free, 10 simple projects to boost your harvest. Advice, Charles Dowding. A new start, the best seeds for 2021, back to basics for fruits. So let me look at this. This says grow your own 2021. Year after year, King offers you. So, this is, well, it's basically a catalogue of King seeds. King seeds. I thought there was your sowing 2021 sowing planner worth £4.15. Worth £4.15. This is a King's. So it's got herbs, garlic, lettuces. Got little guides. Your 2021 sowing planner. Tomatoes. So basically it's just a King seeds. It's got a few flower tips. but not quite sure where the sowing guide is. Sowing planner for 2021. It does show you a sow and harvest chart on the back with the colours of what to sow and when to harvest, but basically it's a King's catalogue. So wow, that's rather interesting. But what's this? So what? So, here's the sewing. You're joking me. You are joking. Okay. Kitchen garden sewing planner. So here we go. We've got all the items down, the vegetables, beans, tomatoes, cabbage, all of them. And it's got a planting guide, sowing planting in blue, period in green, period in brown, red, harvesting in green. So, wow. Well, this is quite interesting. It's showing you all the seedlings and what to expect to look for the seedlings. That's quite interesting. The only thing is, if you've hung this on the wall of the shed or your polytunnel, you're not going to see the back. But really, it says here, your 2021 sewing planner worth £4.15. £4.15? Really? Unless I'm missing something, that's kind of, yeah. But anyway, this is what we got. We've got our kitchen garden magazine, sewing planner, and a King's catalogue. So I do think that's a bit of an advertising gimmick, that one. But here we go. This is our seeds that we've got, and we look forward to planting some of those in the spring. So if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe, ring that bell, and get notifications when I post some more. So thank you very much. Day for the tunnel today. Cheers.